Oh, I'll keep talking then. Wrong way around. Long way around. Wrong way around. Alrighty, so thank you, Patricia, in New York, for a nice surprise last night. Thank you. Let's see. Okie dokie. Well, yes, very kind of you, Patricia. All the way from New York. I skipped. Anyway, moving along to different things. Oh, nice visit with Christopher, who dropped by and has ideas. Good ideas. Thank you. We had a lot of fun in the afternoon. And let's see what else. I thought there was a comment. No, a comment. I don't think maybe. You saw me wandering over there. It's almost closing time. If you really want to see fun stories, cool stories, unique stories that my friend Michael McCardle does for CTV News, check it out. Go to ctnews.com. CTV News last word tonight. Mike's done a lot of stuff every day for years. A brilliant journalist who has the gift of actually quite amazing human type stories. You'll love them. I was watching them last night on CTV News last word. Moving along, let's see, I was going to go over to what I took apart today. And one of my trusty cigarettes. And move this way. Excuse me. So, got the centrifuge all apart. Say some components, actually. There's a palette. Thank you, Mr. Floor Crane.
You're very welcome.
So this will be used here, this empty cabinet now, for the capacitors and heavy power supplies, transformers down the bottom. Still got to clean out some of that stuff there, as you can see. Scored this guy. This is indeed 1/2 inch steel, or semi-magnetic stainless steel. Has a coil arrangement in the inside of it and another plate of stainless here. I would suggest that I think it weighs about 150 pounds, but I can use it for field shaping because the coils, I tested them with Christopher, are insulated. This used to be for cooling. Coils are about that size. Took ohmic readings and also continuity readings. It seems okay. So this will be using him to rotating magnetic fields, that kind of thing, and other unique stuff. Add to the collection. Still going to remove that part there, of course. And let's see, how deep is that? I might cut that out, that brace, cross brace. It's on wheels, so it moves pretty good. That's all the pieces and parts. It came out of it. Looks like somebody had a wild party with squirrels here. I'll continue this on tomorrow. Yeah, so some of this stuff I'm going to toss like that and that thing. What else? much else. The motor is quite unique. I'm just getting this plastic piece off here. Never used motor. None of this stuff was ever used. That'll come off tomorrow. I could make a holding flange here and at the back to hold this in this position. Stainless steel rotors, huh? NASA kind of stuff. We've got 3 wires. 4. Not sure what this is. Could be some kind of sensor, but. And these here, which are for sensing something, I would think. Sensors. But we'll see. We'll apply voltage to it and see how it works. I do believe this other motor is a more advanced one over in the corner that we got 2 years ago. Where did he go to? On a shelf somewhere, I think. Just down this way. I think this is some kind of smaller centrifuge motor. I don't know. But then, judging by the wires, I think it's one of those unique pulse modulated things. It's in a box, never used as well. Oh boy. Once this is done, there's some more pieces here. And once this is all cleaned up and done, it'll only be a couple hours. Time to get back into machinery. Clean this guy up. Keep on trucking. Project every day. That table over there, I'll zoom in and see how this works that way, huh? It'll hold a car almost. I think it would. The wheels on it are immense. We'll replace this piece here and this piece over there I'll use for transformers as well. That's really a cool motor. However, this is the pallet, of course. I do like, that's up a couple of layers of, anyway. Walking along, make sure this is turned on. Yeah, see. Off. Everything is off. This is set at, set at low. Barbara, where's my hot chocolate?
I don't know, Daddy.
Good heavens. Okay, we'll turn this guy off. There we go. Heat exchangers. Ooh, this guy is cool. This I took all apart and reassembled it. Electron scanning microscope main head. Probably someday I'll get sick of it and take it apart and use the metal for other projects, right? I don't know. We'll see. Always a never a dull moment. Armory door closed. Big heavy doors. Oh, yeah. Move that over there. Let me just check around. Everything is kosher. Kosher. Oh, so much fun. So, probably next month, after February, I go to the scrapyard again and load up stuff. Put this down for a moment, I'll keep talking. More sirens. So. Sorry about that, but oh well, I'll be working on him. Clean that plate up. Ideas and dreams I'll have tonight in this thing. Off. Off. Oh, F. I'll turn the heat off here too, huh? Activate the alarm. Press 2. There we go. And it's on. And away we go. Around the car. Get darker. Okay, so we got this guy. And let's see how long I've been chit-chat. 12 minutes. Oh well. Anybody in the tree? No. All gone to the nest, which squirrel I'm sure is gone. Only got a short video of Beak Stalker eating Nancy's pancakes. Well, that's all. I'm not much of a mood for talking, am I?
No, you're not, Johnny.
No, I guess not. Hello. Looks like the one-eyed monster from space, doesn't he? This thing. Ooh, from deep space. Oh well. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, I'm gonna go.